How's it going, guys? It is time for the next system test with the basement fire alarm system featuring my AutoCall pole station. Alright, let's get right into this. So, here we are in my key box. I actually just ripped out the board to it, but made it into a key box, but I'll show you the inside of this here. This is an AutoCall 4050001T. A lot of fire alarm enthusiasts know about these, but not a lot of them have one of these. And I was lucky to find a really good deal on Amazon, actually, and got one of these. So this is technically rebranded by Potter, but it doesn't say that anywhere, but that's what the listing said. But it is really just an AutoCall. But yeah, so there it is. But yeah, so we're going to be testing that today. And I did do this station in the daily fire drill, so usually I don't do it again, but since it is new, I'm going to do it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Pull down. All right. There you go. So for people who have been watching my videos for a while now, you probably know that this station was actually here. So here it is. Give you a kind of a tour here, the back of it. So pretty cool. Yep. New one. This takes a Phillips head driver here. This is a very unique model, also very rare. I've never seen one of these in my life, except for this one that I have the great honor to own. So yeah. All right. So since this is a system test, I think we're gonna do walk test next. Continuing on, it's gonna go off multiple times because I don't have my keys, but whatever. That horn does do. Okay, yes, I'm aware. Hold on. It's gonna keep doing that until I reset it. So. Yes, I know. I'm aware. Hold on. All right. Of course, that is an EST SIGA over there. Up here we have the system sensor i3, as usual. Very, very loud. And following this detector, there is also a system sensor 2400 right here. So that is pretty cool. Let's see here. There's the button. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. These alarms are flashing. I'm just not sure how well the camera picks it up. All right. And for the sake of it, I guess we'll key activate this one. Because it is a new device, so you got to give it special perks, you know what I mean? All right. Let's find the test button here. There you go. So, yep. All right. Yeah, I know it's going to go off again. Just not quick. Not that quick. Should have had my keys out. Okay, that is the BG12, by the way. I actually was going to put that station there, but I just didn't want to, because this is pigtail wiring, and I didn't really want to have to do that thing with the end-of-line resistor, so I just put it there. This is the starting station, that's the middle one, and that's the end-of-line. Nope, didn't work. There we go. Come on. All right. Anyways, let's see. And of course, for our last device, got this detector up here, which I'm so sure I need a big chair to get at. Okay, here it is. This is on zone 1, I believe. We'll find out. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna do full alarm now. It's kind of like the inauguration of a new device. So for today's full alarm, we're going to be doing the auto call. Oh wait, we forgot something. Actually, never mind. Full alarm's gonna be the heat detector because we haven't done it yet. Sorry about that. Jeez, I can't keep track of my stuff. Dang, I'm starting to forget where I put everything. All right. Let's plug in our hairdryer and let's set off the heat detector. All right. Of course, we got audible silence. All right. And that is a successful reset. So, that's going to do it for today's system test. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and peace out.